Let's practice for a Band 9 IELTS speaking interview in this interactive masterclass with high-level vocabulary and grammar. Let's begin. Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner. Let's begin. May I see your identification? What is your full name? For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Where do you live? What do you like about your home? Let's talk about toys. How often do you buy a toy? Where is a good place to buy toys? What was your favorite childhood toy? Do you still have this toy? And if not, what happened to it? If you could make any toy, what would you create? How have toys changed in the last 20 years? That is the end of part 1. We will now continue with part 2. While practicing part 1 and responding, talking about toys, be sure to use the important strategy of reflecting the question. When asked, how often do you buy toys? Respond by stating, I rarely purchase toys, only on special occasions for my family members who are younger than me. It's this kind of reflecting the question that will get you high scores in fluency. Make sure to practice the underlined vocabulary. Once you're ready, join our Premium IELTS package. Click the Student Partner Speaking and talk with your peers. After practice, book a full IELTS speaking interview by clicking on the Speaking Interview Practice button. Now, let's continue to part 2. Part 2. For this part, I will show you some questions. You will have 1 minute to read these. Think about your answers. You can take notes in this 1 minute if you wish, and then you will have 1 to 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Describe a person you had a positive shopping experience with. Your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Your time is up. I will take back the questions. Please put the note paper to the side, turn it over, as well as your pen pencil, and we will. This part 2 is about a salesperson. Notice the response describes the location, the appearance of this person, and then their characteristics backed up by actions. That they're friendly and they smile often. They're knowledgeable when they are giving information about the recommended Chanel bag. It's this kind of appearance and personality backed by action when talking about people in part 2 that will get you those high scores. Again, pay attention to the underlined vocabulary. Make sure to learn it. You can also find the definitions in the video description below. Send us your response to this part 2 question for a free score estimate to this email address. You will also find that in the video description. Now, on to part 3. And we will now continue with part 3. For this part, I will ask you a question related to your response and some questions connected to the topic of part 2. How often do you meet with customer sales agents that are as professional as Sakura? For more video lessons like this one on different topics for the IELTS exam, including original practice exams, a fully interactive course, and an app for your phone, visit and join our Premium IELTS package at aehelp.com. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Use the code SALES9 for an additional 10% discount. Click the link in the video description below. We are an IDP affiliate, a British Council partner, an IELTS test registration center, and I'm a certified British Council agent. Just listen to what this student has to say.
I got an overall score of band 7 in my IELTS. It is all because of aehelp.com and the help of Mr. Adrian, who helped me in my speaking as well as writing with his personal feedback, which helped me to improve my band scores with the half and 1.5 bands. It's awesome.
Begin learning for success. Join the premium course now. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.